Do it.
I won't. Oh my god. Cold.
I don't care. Oh, I'm like stuck here. I should do it when people pull by. Like this. I'll do it right now.
I told you, like, my hands are fucking freezing. Fucker. Fuck.
It's gonna be great. You ready?
Oh, fuck. That would hurt my ear.
Oh! Keep going, keep going. No. Ah, come on!
This fucker won't work.
It's like this. Ice cold.
That guy looking at us like, what the fuck?
It's just a driver like retarded.
Here, let me see that shit.
How hilarious would it be if you could watch them all? It would be like the longest video ever.
Shit, we need to get into
That.
our area. Fucking.
Okay, we're just like, bro. Wee! Oh, come on, that wasn't even a good one. Do it now, do it now.
Fucker, it won't work! The fucking can is ice cold and my hand's turning red! No! Oh my god, I'm getting frostbite!
Taking it for a while. What is...
Dude, my hand's numb. Look.
What did you do with your hands? Video. Look at our shitty town. That's the gayest thing ever. You know, it'd be hilarious.
Fucker. Going like through. It's like, let's go for lay rock.
This
down.
old lady staring at us. Gone. Take air.
So.
Maybe we should let it sit for a while and then do it.